Hey there, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we are looking at the best mini portable power station. If you are looking for a reliable way to keep your essential electronics running during a camping trip or an emergency at home, you have come to the right place. You are watching Budget Buying. Let's get started. When it comes to portable energy, the DaranEner Neok Mini portable power station is a total game changer. It is designed specifically to keep your devices powered wherever life takes you. This station features a 288 watt-hour capacity and a rated output of 600 watts. Because it is so lightweight and compact, it is perfect for outdoor adventures, emergency power outages, home backup, hiking, or even life on the road in an RV. Despite all that power, it only weighs about 8.7 pounds and includes a convenient carrying handle, making it incredibly easy to transport. One of the best things about this station is the sheer variety of ports. It features 8 output ports in total, allowing you to charge multiple devices at the same time. You get 2 AC pure sine wave sockets that can support devices up to 600 watts, 2 USB-C power delivery 100-watt outputs, a USB-A 18-watt port, a car cigarette lighter output, and 2 DC 5521 ports. These connections can power a huge range of daily essentials such as your laptop, drone, CPAP machine, or even a small refrigerator while you are camping. Charging the DaranEner Neok Mini is flexible and straightforward, giving you 3 convenient methods to get back to full power. You can use a standard AC wall charger, a car charging cable, or solar panels. If you are outdoors, you can pair the unit with an 80-watt solar panel in full sunlight to fully charge the device in just 3 to 4 hours. This makes it an absolutely excellent companion for extended outdoor activities where you are completely off the grid and away from wall outlets. At the very heart of the Neok Mini is a high-quality lithium iron phosphate battery. This battery technology is known for being incredibly long-lasting and is capable of over 3,500 charge cycles. To keep everything safe, it includes an advanced battery management system. This system constantly monitors the voltage, current, and temperature to ensure safe and efficient operation. It effectively protects both the generator and your connected devices from potential damage, so you can have complete peace of mind while you use it. The design of the DaranEner Neok Mini is all about portability and practical performance. It combines a compact size with multiple output options and durable battery technology, offering you a truly reliable power solution for everyday use and outdoor exploration. Whether you are prepping for a stormy night at home or planning a weekend getaway in the woods, this power station ensures your gear stays ready to go. It is a smart investment for anyone who wants to stay connected and powered up no matter where they are. Do not let a lack of power slow down your next big adventure. Check the price link in the description to find out how you can grab this versatile power station for yourself today. Like and subscribe to Budget Buying so you never miss out on any of our future tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we will happily see you in the next video.